The government team is just trying to contaminate the sacred spirit of the Olympics and the whole entire sports, which is based on fair competition from the fair circumstances and the same circumstances, and they are just trying to make those athletes to intake drugs, because now just few numbers of athletes are intaking physical performance enhancing drugs in Olympics, and I strongly believe that this is just out of any sense. It doesn't make any sense, and our team strongly stand against with this argument, this motion today. First off, I'll explain the first clash. The first clash of this debate was about the health issues. The government team keeps saying that things like performance-enhancing drugs have side effects when you overdose a lot of PEDs in one time. However, ladies and gentlemen, and Mr. Speaker, like what our team speaker have said before, intaking drugs intaking small amount of PEDs in long term could also cause the side effect, which is much worse than taking a lot of them at one time. And also because of intaking PEDs for a long time, more than 30 athletes lost their lives, and a lot of side effects happened to a lot of athletes. And side effects were such as liver failure, testicle shrinking, and heart attack. And like those just side effects when you misuse and abuse PED is severe, and since the Olympics period is about competing in the same circumstances and in same circumstances and competing without doping, it shouldn't be accepted, and people should be able to play their games in the clean environment. And moving on to the second clash, it was about moral issues. The government team keeps saying that it was impossible to see that all those moral sports games since the ancient Olympia, and they have also said if athletes want to intake PEDs, they should be able to take PEDs. However, ladies and gentlemen, is it moral? Is it right thing to do? I mean, taking a lot of PEDs and risking their health and fighting and competing under unfair circumstances compared to other athletes, and competition by money and competition by drugs is not fair at all, and this is just immoral action which the government team keep trying to say, because they want to promote their team's reputation, and they want to advertise their nation by winning the dirty medals in Olympics. Now I'll move on to the reason why our team had won from this debate. First off, our team came up with a better value of moral and protecting person. Ladies and gentlemen, health and protection of people is invisible thing. People's life cannot be violated at any time with any reasons and any excuses. And just because the government wants to win a gold medal, they shouldn't force the athletes to intake illegal drugs and make people suffer and get sick from the side effects of the PEDs. And for these reasons, our team have won from this debate, and for these reasons, our team is very proud to oppose today's motion. Thank you.